Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to demystify a topic that sounds incredibly complex, but is actually something we all do every single day: data analytics. Now, when you hear the word data, you might picture giant spreadsheets, complicated math, or rows of code. But at its heart, data analytics is simply about one thing: turning numbers into smart, everyday decisions. In this quick guide, we are going to look at the three main types of analytics: what they mean, how they work, and how they help us navigate the world. Let's start with the first one. The first level is called descriptive analytics. If we had to sum this up in one question, it would be, what happened? Think of descriptive analytics like the rearview mirror of your car. It looks backward. It takes a look at all of your past information to paint a clear picture of exactly what has already taken place. To make this simple, think about your bank account. When you log in and check your bank statement to see exactly where you spent your money last month, say, $50 on coffee and $100 on groceries, that is descriptive analytics. You are looking at past data to understand your history. It doesn't tell you what to do next, but it gives you a solid foundation of the facts. Once we know what happened in the past, we can move to the next level: predictive analytics. The core question here is, what will happen next? If descriptive analytics is a rear-view mirror, predictive analytics is a weather forecast. We look at the patterns in our past data, combine them with current clues, and make a highly educated guess about the future. For a simple example, let's look at a local store owner. If they check the upcoming weekend weather forecast and see a massive heat wave heading their way, they can look at past summers and predict that ice cream sales are going to skyrocket. Based on that prediction, they know they need to stock up on inventory. It's not magic, and it's not a 100% guarantee, but it uses data to help us prepare for what's coming. Finally, we reach the ultimate level: prescriptive analytics. This asks the most important question of all: what should we do about it? Think of prescriptive analytics like your GPS navigation app. A GPS doesn't just show you where you are on a map. That would be descriptive. And it doesn't just predict that there will be a traffic jam 10 miles ahead. That would be predictive. Instead, your GPS takes all that data and actively prescribes a solution. It says, there is traffic ahead, so you should take exit 5 right now to save 15 minutes. In business and in life, prescriptive analytics takes our past data and our future predictions and hands us a specific action plan to get the best possible result. So, to wrap it all up, descriptive analytics looks at the rearview mirror to see where we've been. Predictive analytics looks through the windshield to forecast what's ahead. And prescriptive analytics acts as our digital navigator, telling us exactly when and where to turn. When you put all three together, you get a powerful roadmap for making smarter, more confident decisions. Thank you so much for your time today.